So we have Johnny and Cash on top of the cat tree. And pretty soon there's going to be a battle for who actually gets to keep it. I can only see it coming. Pardon me. Then in my lap, there's Spunky. Hey, Spunky, turn around. He says no. And Sable. Everybody's camera shy. Oh, except Daisy. Where's Daisy? Hey, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Fred's on the bar. Going, where's my breakfast? And there's the handsome boys. Let's see. Oh, there they are. And Johnny has the white bib. Cash does not. And they'll lay up there like that for a while. Then they'll start fighting. Sort of. Play fighting. And there's Daisy again. Hey! Hey! Where'd you go? There you are. And there's Saren taking a nap. And Fred's still saying, where's my breakfast? So, that's some of the cats on Sunday morning.